Right? So is the potential of data these days. Every ad you watch on your mobile devices, every stock you invest in, every recommendation you get on your next travel plan is made by going through your past data. The data trails you left behind while making an online booking, browsing, or your activity on social media. Hence, your suggestion is decided by data crunching tools and AI to assist you make a better call. This procedure is called the data-driven decision making. Today, the IT industry has a great demand for professionals with skills to handle and analyze data to carry out data-driven decision making. One of the most important of all the skills is Microsoft Excel. Today, we from Simplilearn bring you this full course on Microsoft Excel. We have curated this full course in collaboration with real-time industry experts and organized the syllabus to help you get the right skills to match the current industry standards. We will start with a brief introduction on the Microsoft Excel. Proceeding ahead, we'll walk you through the basics of Microsoft Excel, where we'll cover spreadsheet fundamentals, data sorting and filtering, data validation, conditional formatting.
भी लोगों ने कमेंट किया है कि आई विश समवन लव्ड मी द वे अंकुर लव्स एक्सेल। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं इस वीडियो में आप सब लोगों को एक इंट्रोडक्शन दूं टू दिस सुपर पावरफुल सॉफ्टवेयर जो मैं पिछले 20 सालों से यूज कर रहा हूं एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन लव विद। द बिग रीजन फॉर व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिंदगी में बहुत सारे डिसीजंस हैं जो कि एक्चुअली हमें एक एक्सेल शीट पे लेने चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप उस डिसीजन को सिर्फ नंबर्स और सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिवली ही देखें और कोई भी इमोशन ना डालें।
Hi, and welcome to this course called Excel from the Beginning. In this course, we're going to learn how to use Excel using 6 projects that you can use in real life. So my name is Shad Sluter, and I've been a teacher for computer science and computer applications for several years. What you're about to see are applications that I've used in my classroom and have been successful with other students in the past. So I really appreciate the opportunity that FreeCodeCamp has given me to present this to you. I have used FreeCodeCamp in my own classroom with success with students from high school to the university level. And so
Hey guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll be learning all the major concepts in Microsoft Excel. Before moving on to the session, let us look at what we are going to learn. At first, we'll be learning the basic concepts of Microsoft Excel, like entering data and referencing formulas. And then we'll be learning the concept of conditional formatting. After that, we'll learn more important formulas in Excel. After learning those formulas, now we'll be learning the data sorting and data filtering techniques. After that, we'll be learning data and file security. After that, we'll be learning pivot tables in Excel with examples. After learning pivot tables, now we are going to move on with VBA macros. Now we'll be learning about principles of charting and different techniques in charting. And finally, we'll be creating dashboards and interactive components for the purpose of data analysis using Microsoft Excel. Okay, now let's move on with the session.
अब हम लेकर आए हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल का कंप्लीट कोर्स।